In this video, I am going to show you how to back up your photos, videos, and the benefits of it. Make sure you did not skip any seconds of this video, because it gives you complete details on photos and videos backup. If you are new here, my name is Kazeem Sodeeq. I am uploading videos based on all you need to know about using phone. If that sounds good, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. According to Google says, Backup and Sync is a storage service that automatically saves your photos and videos to your Google account. These photos will be accessible from any device when you are logged into your account. One of the main benefits is that all the items you back up from Google Photo will be saved into your Google account to get it back whenever there is problems. Now, how are you going to back up your photos and videos? Go straight to your main Android pages or app folder. Look for Google Photo app, and click on it. This will lead you to the main page of Google Photos. Tap on the three lines that appear on the top left-hand sides. A new page will appear that contains lots of features on Google Photo. Look for settings in which there is possession of backup and sync at the top. Click on it. This backup and sync is a storage that will automatically save your photos, as well as videos. And if you want it to save automatically, there are some changes that you will make in the setting. There are particular size of files that you can able to back up in Google Photo. Just make sure that, if your video is larger than 10 gigabytes, you will not be able to back it up. And if your photos is larger than 200 megabytes or 150 MB, as well, if your photos or videos size is smaller than 256 times 256, you will not be able to restore it. If you exceeded what is mentioned above, then have a good connection, and follow me very well. Now, to back it up, turn Backup and Sync on. Scroll down a little bit, and click on Backup Device Folders. Not all your folders are automatically backup. To back it up, change every folders on. Therefore, the other folders that you choose to back up will be also view in the library. Go back, and scroll down a little bit. You will see Cellular Data Backup that contains photos and videos features. Make sure you turn them on. All your photos and videos is now backup every day, or anytime you log in into your account. To check whether your photos is backed up, go to the main page of Google Photos, click on Album, and tap any one you like. At the top, you will see Backup and Sync that has been turned on. Therefore, any photos or videos that will enter any album again, will be automatically backup when you log in into Google Photo, and it will appear at the top whenever you log in. My 146 items has not been backup because there is not internet connection. Now it will start it backup automatically whenever there is good connection. We have created a playlist of Google Photo that will help you all about the aspect of Google Photo. The link is in description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for you to be updated every day. If you have anything that is not clear to you, make sure you comment in the comment section below, and I will make sure I answer your question as I can. Thanks for watching.